Let's say you wake up in the morning and you see a boot on the tire. The boot has this, a lock on the tire. You plan, you wake up in the morning, I'm going to work and I'm going to do this and this and this. Oh, I didn't pay my ticket. I didn't remember from this. They towed my car. What you do? Start curses, huh? Cursing? Oh, in the mayor, in the governor, in the police, and this is what the Rebbe teaches us. This is what all about Breslov. You should live with emunah. You should live that. I don't have a car. I don't know what to do, or I order a taxi. Didn't show off. So, call no. Halt me bei dem. We are holding by this. Nicht nur. Not only if they take away your car. Stam, you want a taxi to go somewhere. No taxis. Nobody comes. You say they come and they didn't show off. Oh, what I'm doing here? Why? Call Ma'adov Rachmul Tavavot.